Hey guys, Andy Anderson here. Before we get started in this class, this is a fun class, let's talk about exercise files. If you've taken anything from me before, when I talk about exercise files, I do believe they're integral to understanding the class. There can always be that one thing that I do, and you're working with your own file, and you just don't quite get it, and the exercise files can really help you out. Now, the files that we need to complete the courses for this ePub class are going to be inside of these folders, and all you have to do is open them when you need the requisite file. Let me make one recommendation to you that is just simply a recommendation. I'm going to come down here and open something called Bridge. Now, Bridge comes with the Creative Suite. Our vehicle for getting to ePubs in this particular class is InDesign, and InDesign is part of the Creative Suite. Although you can buy InDesign separately, I would suspect that a lot of you bought the Creative Suite. If you bought the Creative Suite, you have a program that you're looking at right now called Bridge. Bridge is an excellent program to work with because it's an organizational tool. Now, in no way do you need it to make this class work. It's just a good way to organize your files. So, with it open, notice I have over here a tab called Favorites, and these things are things that I use over and over again. So, suggestion, you could take your exercise files from here and literally drag them over into Favorites, say put them at the bottom and let go, and now you have them in one place. Now let me repeat, this in no way influences the course, but it makes it an easier way to get to the exercise files for the class. That's all I'm saying. So with that said, you've got the files. We're ready to get it on. Let's go.